Hi friends, last period we have discussed about the basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, angle bisector, three parallel lines properties. Now we are studying about the practice set 1.2 on these all last properties in similarity triangles. In that case, the first question is that first question. Given below are some triangles and length of the line segments. Identify in which figures ray PM is the angle bisector of triangle QPR. So all these figures shows the rays PM angle bisector, yes or not. याचा अर्थ असा की या तीनही आकृतीवरून आपल्याला पीएम हा रेख पीएम हा कोण QPR चा बायसेक्टर आहे का पाहायचा आहे. सो हाऊ टू सॉल्व देम. नाउ angle bisector, according to angle bisector theorem or properties, the bisector of an angle the ratios of their opposite sides is equals to or same is the ratios of remaining sides. So याचं म्हणणं असंच होतं की कोणत्याही त्रिकोणाचा अँगल बायसेक्टर हा त्याच्या समोरच्या बाजूला किंवा अपोजिट साइडला आणि त्याच्या उरलेल्या बाजूला काही प्रमाणात विभागतो आणि म्हणून आपण काय घेणार बाय गिव द ratios of opposite sides. So QM, now to find the ratios QM by EMR equals to 3.5 by 1.5. Solve this. The points are cancelled, therefore 1 decimal 35 by 15, therefore 5 3 ja 15, 5 3 ja 15, 5 7 ja 35. Given equation 1. Use the equation 1. And another equation is that remaining side QP by PR equals to 7 by 3. The both are equation says that from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, QM by EMR equals to QP by PR. By properties of angle bisector theorems, the rays PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Therefore, rays PM is the bisector of angle QPR. पहा मित्रांनो, ही या गणितामध्ये किंवा या प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये आपण बघितलाय की कोणाचा दुभाजक हा त्याच्या समोरील बाजूला आणि त्याच्या उरलेल्या बाजूंना प्रमाणात विभागतो आणि म्हणून इथे दाखवत असताना आपल्याला काय मिळालं की समोरच्या बाजूचं प्रमाण आणि उरलेल्या बाजूचं प्रमाण हे सेम होतं आणि म्हणून त्यांच्या गुणधर्मानुसार angle bisector theorem or property नुसार by angle bisector theorem or property नुसार PM is the angle bisector because the both are the ratios are equal. So similarly of this now Rm by mq equals to 6 by 8. In that both numbers divisible by 2. Therefore, 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. So equation 1. And also Rp equals to PQ. Rp by PQ equals to 7 by 10. But here from equation 1 and 2, the both our ratios are not equals. From equation 1 and 2, the ratios Rm by Mq equals to Rp by PQ are not equals. Their ratios not equal. Therefore, by the bisector of an angle of triangle properties reads PM is not the bisector of angle QPR. QPR. Similarly, the angle bisector property, using the angle bisector property in this triangle. Now, QM by MR equals to QM by MR equals to 3.6 by 4. Here one decimals in the numerator and only single numbers is the in the denominator. Now remove these decimal points. Think the multiplying the both by tens, numerator and denominator by tens. 4 into tens. Therefore 36 by 40. Now the complete number here is 36 and 40. Then their ratios 4 9 ja 36 and 14 ja 40. Therefore 9 by 10. 9 by 10 equation 1. And also second equation remaining sides Rp by Qp equals to Rp by Qp equals to 9 by 10. The both are equation from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2, Qm by Mr equals to Rp by Qp. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Therefore, by properties of the bisector of an angle of triangle. Therefore, reads repium is the bisector of angle QPR. This all final answer shows the all these questions. Now we write the another problem. Now another question is that question 2. In PQR triangles, PM PM equals to 15, PM equals to 15, PQ equals to 25, not given the value of PMQ, and PR equals to 20, total PR equals to 20, NR equals to 8. State the line NM is the parallel to the sides of RQ. How to find this line NM parallel to the RQ? Let us consider if the lines are parallel to the RQ, then their ratios, remaining sides of ratios are same. So how to calculate them? Now take the ratios of NP and NR and PM and MQ. But I don't value of NP and MQ. To find the first NP and MQ. या गंधामध्ये आपण पाहायचं असल्यास आपल्याला असं मिळतात की काही साईड देऊन आहे, काही साईड काढायचे आहे, आणि म्हणून आपण PN आणि MQ काढूया. तर मग पहिले काय करू आपण, म्हणून PN equals to PN is the small, that means small part of the segment PR. So PR minus NR equals to PR 20 minus NR 8 equals to 12. And another is that now find the MQ, segment AQ, segment MQ, segment MQ equals to PQ minus PN, that means PQ 25 minus PN 15 equals to 10. Now find the ratios of PN by NR. PN by NR equals to 12 by 8. So solve this, the ratios. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, equation 1. And also second ratios PM MQ equals to 15 by MQ 10, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, the ratios of equals PN by NR equals to PM by MQ. By converse theorem, therefore lines NM parallel side RQ by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, says that NM is the parallel to side RQ. Right. This is a proper solution or required solution of this problem. Now we solve the problem 3. According to this problem, in triangles, NQ is the angle bisector of angle N, and given the some values this side and this side, to find the value of this. So by angle bisector properties we can use here. Now according to angle bisector properties, by an angle bisector property or theorem, it shows that theorem shows that the opposite sides, ratios of opposite sides of the angle bisector of angle AN, MQ by QP equals to is equals to the ratios of remaining sides MN by PN, QP, MP, sorry, MQ by QP and MN by PN. Now put the value of each and every factors or points. Segments also say that means M cube 2.5, QP I don't know value of QP, so as it is. Now MN 5, PN 7. By cross multiplication, 5UQP equals to 5UQP equals to 2.5 into 7. So QP equals to 2.5 into 7 by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 5 is 0.5. That means therefore 0.5 into 7, 0.5 into 7, 0.5 into 7, the QP equals to 0.5 into 7, 35, 5 7 is 35, 3.5, 3.5. This is the answer of that questions. That means unit 5 units of. Hello friends, in that problem measure of some angles in the figure given, prove that AP by BP equals to AP by QC. In that proof, the in triangle ABC triangles is there. In that ABC triangles, angle APQ equals to 60 degree and angle ABC equals to 60 degree given. Now both are, therefore we can write here angle APQ equals to angle EBC by between is A between is P between is B. Now, but these are the angles are corresponding. These are the angles are corresponding from the figure. But the pair of angles are corresponding only corresponding angle. Therefore, by properties of two parallel sides and parallel lines and their transversals, the line PQ and the segment PQ parallel segment BC. In ABC triangles, the segment PQ parallel to the one side of triangle BC. Therefore, line PQ parallel side of triangle BC. Therefore, by repeating theorem, AP by EB equals to AQ by QC by the basic proportionality theorem. Now we solve the fifth problem. In that case, in trapezium ABCD, the side AB parallel side PQ parallel side BC. AP equals to 50, PD equals to 12, PD equals to 12, QC equals to 40. To find the value of PQ by three parallel lines, properties of three parallel lines and their transversals. Property of the parallel line and transversal. Their ratios are equal. The ratios of transversals 1 and transversals 2 are equal, are same. Therefore, PA by PD equals to BQ by QC. That means AP by PD equals to BC by QC. Therefore, value of EP equals to 15, PD equals to 12, BQ equals to, I don't know value of BQ, to find the value of BQ, then value of QC 14. Therefore, by cross multiplication, 12 BQ equals to 15 into 14. Therefore, BQ equals to 15 into 14 divided by 3. Therefore, BQ equals to 3. 4 3 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12. And 3 5 ja 15. Now 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja 2 7 14. Therefore, the product of IU into 7 by 2. Therefore, 35 by 2. 47 is 35 by 2. The accurate answer of this question. 35 is 2. You know that the answer of this question. 1 is 2. 1, 5. 2 7 is 40. 1.5. That means 70.5. BQ equals to 70.5. This is the required answer of that question. Now we solve the sixth question in practice set 1.2. Find the QP using the given information. In that case, given information, the triangle MNP reads NQ is the angle bisector of angle MNP. Then, according to angle bisector theorems or properties, the angle bisector of triangles divided the opposite side to the angle MNP opposite sides and remaining sides, their ratios are equals. The ratios of remaining sides are equal. Therefore, we can say that by property of an angle of triangle, properties of angle bisector, properties of bisector of an angle of triangle, according to properties, opposite sides ratios MQ by QP equals to M and by NP. Therefore, put the value of MQ 14 by QP. I don't know value. I have not value of QP, and MN 25 by NP is 40. Now, the cross products. Take the cross product of two quantities. 25 into QP equals to 14 into 40. Now I want the value of QP, so QP equals to 14 into 40 by 25. Therefore, QP equals to 5 5 ja 25 and 5 8 ja 40. Therefore, 14 8 ja. Calculate the value of 14 8 ja. 14 8 ja 4 2 ja 4 8 ja 32 2 3 and 8 1 ja 8 118. Now 4 8 ja 32 3 then 8 1 ja 8 11 112. That means 14 8 ja 112 divided by 5 divided by 5. To find the value of 112 divided by 5, then we get the answer 5 to the 10, 5 to the 10, 1, 12, 5 to the 10, 2, point 5 4 is 25, 20, sorry, 5 4 is 20, 0 2. And 2.22.4 is the accurate answer. See. Now, to find the value of x and a for C1 problem given that in that from the figure the AB parallel CD parallel EF. Now, and they were transversals BF and E. So we can write here given AB parallel CD parallel EF EFE and transversals BF and E. Therefore, AE. Therefore, by property of three parallel lines. Now, the three parallel lines parallel, then their intercepted ratios of the transversals, ratios of intercepted of their transversals are congruent or equal. That means BD by DF equals to AC by C. Therefore, BD equals to 8, DF 4, AC 12, CX. By cross product, 8x equals to 12 into 4 and x equals to 48 by 8. Therefore, x equals to 8 1 is 8, 8 6 is 48, that means 6. Therefore, this is the value of C. CE equals to x equals to 6. We find the value of x, 6, x is 1. Now, to find the value, to find A, A is the made by, A is the made by AC, made by AC plus CE, AC plus C, AC plus C, then AC equals to 12 plus CE x, x, that means 12 plus 6, 12 plus 6 by 1. Therefore, AE equals to segment A equals to 18. This is the required answer of that 7 questions. Now, in practice set 1.2, the 8 problem solved. In that given information, the inner triangle LMN, the rays MT. MT is the angle bisector of angle LMN. Then LM equals to 6, NM equals to 10, and TN equals to 10, 8. To find the value of LT. Then how to find this LT on that figure or in that figure? We can see that the MT is the angle bisector. So by using the angle bisector of an angle, the bisector, by using the bisector of an angle of triangle theorem. In that case, the angle bisector theorem, they are opposite sides to the angle LMN. Opposite sides, ratios of opposite sides, that means LT by TN equals to the ratios of opposite sides is equals to the ratios of remaining sides. The ratios of remaining side LM by MN according to angle bisector theorem. Now put the value of each and every segments L LT. I don't know value of LT. To find the value of LT, so as it is NT 8, LM 6 by 10. Therefore, the by cross product 10 LT equals to 8 into 6 and LT equals to 48 by 10. Therefore, LT equals to 4.8. These are required values. Now, in the ninth problem, the given information in triangle ABC, segment BD is the bisector, angle bisector. Similar to these problems, also the angle bisector BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC, and all these the given values of all segments, that means AD, DC, and DC, and AB. To find the value of X, how to calculate this problem? By angle bisector theorem, by the bisector of an angle of triangle theorem, triangle property or theorem says that the AD by DC equals to AB by BC. Put the value of each and every terms. Therefore, AD equals to x minus 2. AD equals to x minus 2. DC equals to x plus 2. AB equals to x and x plus 5. Therefore, by cross multiplication methods, x minus 2, x plus 5 into x plus 5 equals to x into x plus 2. Now in both factors, the multiply by 1 by 1. Therefore, x into x square plus 5x, x plus 5x, x into x square plus 5x minus multiply 2 minus 2 with x and 5. that means 2x and plus minus minus 10, 5 to the 10 equals to x square plus 2x. Therefore, x square 5x minus 2x equals to 3x plus minus 10 equals minus 10. X square plus 3x minus 10 equals to x square plus 2x. Then x square get cancelled. So you get the value of 3x minus x. Collect the one variable's numbers in one side and constant number the another side. Therefore, minus 10 equals to 10. Therefore, 3 minus x equals to 3 minus 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 equals to x equals to 10. We get the value of x equals to 10. To find the value of x, this is the required value. This is the required values of x. Therefore, the two problems solve them 8 and 9. To find next problem. Now, the 10 problems. Figure 1.44. X is the any point of triangles. In the interior of triangles, point X, the joint the vertices of the triangles E, D, F, D, E, F. Then the segment PQ, parallel segment D, segment QR, parallel segment EF, and segment. Then to prove that the segment PR parallel segment DEF. According to this problem, this is the activity. So we solve this activity to prove to prove that PR segment PR parallel side or segment DF. Proof. 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 Now, in this triangle DEF, in this triangle DEF, the given by this problem, the PQ segment PQ parallel D and segment QR parallel segment EF. In that case, X is the point, interior point of triangle, and join in the line all vertices, three vertices DX, EX, and XF. So, from this figure, according to these two parallel lines, so that give the one triangles DXE and another triangle XEF. In both are cases, the one side parallel to the side of the one side of the triangle, the PQ side parallel to the one side of triangle DE, and in that case also QR parallel to the EF. So the both cases we get the value of parallel sides. Now in triangles DXE dx e dx e dx e, the segment PQ, that means PQ parallel DE, by BPT theorem, by BPT basic proportionality theorem, the ratios of XP by XP and DP equals to the ratios of XQ by QE. Equation 1 by basic proportionality theorem. Now, similarly, in triangle XEF, in triangle XEF, in triangle XEF, QR parallel EF, QR parallel EF. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, XQ by QE equals to XR by REF. Equation 2 by BPT basic proportionality theorem. Now, from equation 1 and 2, 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 so give the value of xq by qe, xq by qe is equals to xp and dxp by dp and xr by rf. So both are value are equals from equation 1 and 2. Therefore, xp by dp equals to xr by ref from equation 1 and 2. So value, this value we are find in that triangles DXF. Now, in triangle DXF, in triangle DXF, both values are equals. The both values, that means ratios of DF and PX and ratios of XR and RF are equal. That means XP by DP equals to XR RF by equation 3. By equation 3. Therefore, the by converse of BPT theorem, basic proportionality theorem, the segment PR parallel segment DS. Therefore, segment PR parallel segment DF by converse of basic proportionality theorem. This is the proof of that equation. Now, in practice 1.2, last problem, 11th is the star problem. In that case, ABC triangle, draw the ABC triangle. There, in that case, AB equals to AC. AB equals to AC, given here. If the AB equals to AC. And BD is the angle bisector of angle ABC. And ray C is the angle bisector C is the angle bisector of angle C. Proof. In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Ray BD bisect angle ABC. Therefore, by angle bisector theorem, AD by DC equals to remaining side AB by BC. Equation 1 by bisector of an angle of triangle theorem. Similarly, ray CE bisect angle ACB Therefore, AE by EB equals to AC by BC. Equation 2 by bisector of an angle of triangle theorem. From equation and EB equals to AC give 1. From equation 1 to and 3, the ratios of AD and DC, AE and BC are equal. Therefore, AD by DC equals to AE by AB. From equation 1, 2 and 3. Equation 4. In triangle. Now, in triangle ABC, AD by DC equals to AE by AB by 4. Therefore, segment DE parallel BC. Therefore, segment ED parallel segment BC. Therefore, ED parallel BC. This is proof of that question. By converse of basic proportionality theorem. या प्रकारे आपण पूर्ण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.2 कंप्लीट केलं. इन दिस वे we are completed the practice set 1.4. Thank you.